Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. Welcome to Awesome Tech Digital. This is our first tutorial about WordPress. WordPress is the number one content management system right now. People are more interested to build their website with WordPress because WordPress has much more features and security, and it's easy to operate by anyone. Install WordPress in your website. First, you need to log in your control panel. This is our website control panel screen. I'm already logged in my cPanel. After logging your cPanel, you will get the quick installation features that's called softaculous apps installer. So this is the softaculous apps installer in the front. Usually it located in the below of the home screen of control panel. You can see here script, and this is WordPress. You can click here or you can click there to install WordPress in your web hosting server. So I'm clicking here WordPress. It's called one-click installation. It's easy to install. This is the interface of installation. Now you need to click on install now button. I'm clicking here. Here is some requirement you need to follow. You need to select the latest WordPress version. It's now available 5.5.3, and this is the latest version of WordPress I'm using right now. I'm not interested to install my WordPress in older version. If you need, then you can change, you can go with any version of WordPress. After that, you need to select your protocol, HTTPS or HTTP. If SSL certificate already installed in your cPanel, then you can select HTTPS. I'm selecting HTTPS / then www. This is the website URL by default. You can write here subdirectory. I want to install this CMS in my direct domain. So this is our client domain. Now you can choose your site title. You can change it after the installation what you need. I'm writing this site description and site name for tutorial purpose, and this is a dummy content. Now you need to choose an username. You can choose any username what you want. Okay, I've selected the username and password. You can select any password, but remember your password is your security, so make it strong as far as you can. Okay, now we need to input your admin email address. Now you have no need to change anything. Just click on the install button and it will be installed automatically with a few seconds. So I'm clicking here install. Okay, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Now you can visit your website. This is our website. This is a sample page. Now you need to change your theme. You can operate your website under WordPress right now, and it's ready to use. This is your website front page, and if you want to log in your dashboard, admin panel, WordPress admin panel, then you need to click on the link. This is the link /wp-admin. You need to input your username and password here, and you can manage your website from this panel. So this is the basic installation guide. If you are beginner, you are totally unknown about WordPress installation on control panel, then this video will help you. So hope this video useful for you. If you have any question about this video, then please leave your question in our comment section. If you are new in our channel and you are watching us first time, then please subscribe us. At the same time, if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family who are really interested in WordPress. We are going to make new videos about WordPress content management system for beginners and advanced level tutorial will be coming soon. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.